lady comes out of the crossbody. Whenever you want to get into a two-hand hold, fellas, we just slip down into a hook hold there. And that's what stops that from happening. So ladies, always want to maintain that hook hold. No need firmness, just a hook hold. So, we're going to go crossbody lead, slip down 6 and 7. From here we're going to put the lady into a basket or a wrap, which is a beginner's move. Prepare, wrap in, step back, 6 and 7. It's a beginner's move, but just to make sure the ladies are happy with this. Lady steps in on 3, on 5, she steps back on her left foot before we lead the lady out with the back of the arm on 6 and 7. Okay, so it's wrap, lead, out, back, lead, and 7. From here, fellas, we're going to cross the road into a two-hand hold still, and we're going to bring this left hand high, bring the lady into a travelling wrap as we cross the road. So from here, fellas, we've got a two-hand hold. We get into crossbody position 3. The lady steps across on 5. On 5 and a quarter, just after she steps across, that's the signal for the lead. We wrap the lady in, bring the left hand high, and we cross the road, fellas. We go from here to here. We let the lady step forward on 1, we go with her, 2, bring the lady back on 3, and then we pull this right hand towards, let go of it as soon as we've led, 6 and 7. And from here we just go into a crossbody lead, preparing for the inside turn. So once again, fellas, we get into crossbody lead position 3, we let the lady step across on 5, and as soon as she steps across, this hand, it's 3 or 4 inches movement, that's all it is. So from this angle here, it's 1, 2, 3, step across, and then this hand just comes towards you, and then lets the lady go. What we don't want to do when we're leading the inside turn is to stir. There's no need for that, okay? As soon as we've moved that 3 inches, that's all